Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Kraken Kitty V2 to PS5. First, locate the USB cable attached to your Kraken Kitty V2 headset. Then, simply plug this USB connector into any open USB port on your PlayStation 5 console. It's a straightforward plug-and-play process. Make sure your headset is powered on so the PS5 can recognize it immediately. This initial step establishes the basic audio connection. Once connected, you'll need to configure your PS5 audio settings. Go to the PlayStation 5 main menu, then navigate to Settings and select Sound. From there, choose Audio Output and ensure Headphones is selected as your output device. You can also adjust the master volume and microphone input levels to your preference, ensuring clear communication and immersive sound. For optimal communication, let's set up your microphone. Within the PS5 sound settings, go to Microphone. Verify that your Kraken Kitty V2 headset is recognized and selected as the input device. You can then perform a quick microphone level test to ensure your voice is coming through clearly and at an appropriate volume for your teammates. This step is crucial for multiplayer gaming. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your PlayStation 5 and the Kraken Kitty V2 headset. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve minor connectivity glitches. Also, it's a good idea to check the Razer website for any available firmware updates for your headset, as these can improve performance and compatibility. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.